Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you can merge accounts in YNAB, so let's get started. If you've ever ended up with two separate accounts in YNAB, like an old checking account and a new one, you might want to merge them to keep your budget tidy and your history intact. While YNAB doesn't offer a built-in merge feature, there's a straightforward way to do it manually. First, decide which account you want to keep as your primary one moving forward. Once you've made that decision, go into the account you're retiring and select all of its transactions. You can move every transaction into your active account using the Move to Account option. This keeps all your data payees, categories, notes exactly how it was. After the transactions have been moved over, it's important to check your balance. Sometimes, especially if the accounts had transfers between them, your balance might be off by a little. You can simply adjust the starting balance transaction in the account you're keeping to make things right. Once everything is transferred and balanced, go back to the old account and mark it as closed. That way it no longer clutters your sidebar, but you still retain its full history if you ever need it. This manual merge keeps your budget accurate, preserves your financial timeline, and avoids the headache of duplicate categories or broken reports.